Let's understand financing. Here we have options to enter inputs for equity and loans. For equity financing, we may select either to inject the equity when required or to inject the total amount upfront in the first period. We can enter the amount of equity here as per our selected option. Coming down to repayment option, we can select to repay when there is any excess amount is available in any period, or we may choose to repay at the end of the project. Similarly, we have option to pay for profits earned during periods. Enter here percent of interest that we will earn on the surplus cash lying in a particular period. You may expand financing options by including loans. Go to Preferences, click Financing, click on Global Settings. Choose the option as per the requirement. We can select Simple with one loan option, or we may go for Advanced with 5 different loan options. Selecting Advanced, click on Save. Debt options for up to 5 loans will appear. First 2 loans are auto loans, which means only the deficit amount required for a particular period will be fulfilled through these loan options. If there is no requirement in a period, no amount will be injected through these loans. Here we can enter the sanctioned loan amount, out of which funds will be used when it will be required in a period. For auto loans, commencement period is locked at first period. You can enter maturity period, an interest rate. Coming further, we can enter 3 types of fees which are incurred with respect to the loan. We can either enter an amount here or a percentage of loan amount here. Loan 2 works in the similar way, but it will be used only after maximum limit of Loan 1 is exhausted. Auto loans are used only after maximum limit of equity is already injected. Loan 3, Loan 4, and Loan 5 are manual loans, which means a one-time injection will happen in the period of commencement of the loan. Enter here the amount of loan, loan commencement period, loan maturity period, and rate of interest. Fees are entered in the similar way as in Loan 1 and Loan 2. We can enter input parameters for Loan 4 and Loan 5 in the similar way.